Do you have open pores problem? Then come with me to Dr. Sai Ganapathy at Skin Sensation, Gurugram. Hi, I'm back.
Hi Amini, just give me 5 minutes.
Okay.
Hi Amini, I can already see quite improvement in your open pores and you're looking more gorgeous now.
Well, credit goes to you. आज क्या करेंगे हम?
So the first session we had done MNRF with GFC and today we'll be targeting the open pores with MNRF with baby botox.
बोटॉक्स का बेबी का बाल एंड मुझे बोटॉक्स नहीं कराना है, I'm too young.
Oh come on, I'm not doing botox on you, I'm just producing a baby out of botox but diluting it and that's an excellent mixture for your open pores.
All my faith in you. Let's try then. ये क्या कर दिया खून?
Say bye bye to your open pores, they'll be gone forever.
पक्की बात?
बस एक और सिटिंग का सवाल, फिर देखो अपने चेहरे पे चमत्कार.
Waiting.